Hello friends, today we will solve a question paper relating to the departmental examination of railways in which there will be 110 questions, out of which 100 questions are released from the syllabus and 10 questions are related to the official language. Let's start solve the question paper. Question number 1. Break journey is not permitted at suburban station. Question number 2. Freight charge per wagon shall be round off to the next higher multiple of next rupee. Next question. As per Rule 13A of Railway Service Conduct Rule 1966, railway servants shall first give dowry, second take dowry, third abet the giving of taking of dowry, fourth demand dowry. All options are right. Next question. Which of the following sources of financial and source code are mismatched? Capital Fund 19. Question number 5. In case of railway servant who retire voluntarily after completing 20 years of qualifying service, the date of retirement shall be treated as non-working days. Next question. Luggage booked on which scale? L scale. Next question. The expenditure under repairs and maintenance of plant and equipment of all the departments shall be charged to demand number. Abstract E. Next question number 8. General managers of zonal railways are provided with gold medal pass. Question number 9. How the admitted debit raised by error sheet be cleared? All of these. Clearance by the payment in cash, recovery of pay sheet, write off after sanction of competent authority. Next question number 10. What outstanding is shown in the balance sheet? Credit side closing balance. Right answer. Next question. HOER is issued to high officials such as governor. राजभाषा का प्रश्न है इसलिए हिंदी में मिलेगा। जहाँ भी पेपर होगा राजभाषा के प्रश्न जो होंगे वो हिंदी में दिए जाते हैं क्योंकि राजभाषा हिंदी का ही भाग है और कार्यालयीन कार्य के लिए उपयोग की जाती है। संविधान के भाग 17 में कितने अनुच्छेद हैं? तो टोटल 9 अनुच्छेद हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. रजिस्ट्रेशन फी फॉर पर बीजी रैक इज ₹50,000. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. How much train time stoppage is required to book parcel traffic at intermediate station in Mail Express train? 5 minutes time stoppage is required to book parcel traffic at intermediate station in Mail Express trains. Next question. What is the full form of RAC? Reservation against cancellation. Next question. The process of selection of service provider through ROMT will be initially through open tender with desired criteria. If no response is received, then handling over the site. Under CSR, okay. Under NGO, okay. Both A and B, okay. The right answer is A and B, both. Next question. EMD for packing contracts is to be paid in favor of senior DFM. Next question. When 2 or more candidates are declared of the equal merit at the same examination, their relative seniority is determined by date of birth. Next question. Application for rebooking is submitted at booking station or destination station. Destination station. Next question. Which one is not correct? SF5 major charge sheet, right. SF4 revocation of suspension order, right. SF11 minor charge sheet. Not correct. SF7. Right answer is SF7. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मंडल रेल कार्यालय राजभाषा कार्यान्वयन समिति के अध्यक्ष कौन होते हैं? तो मंडल रेल प्रबंधक महोदय होते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 22. गेट पास इज प्रिपेयर्ड इन हाउ मैनी कॉपीज? इन 3 कॉपीज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द फुल मीनिंग ऑफ CGEGIS? गवर्नमेंट, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय ग्रुप इंश्योरेंस स्कीम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In case a charge official requires additional document during the course of inquiry, then the request may be addressed to investigating officer IO. Next question. What are the restricted commodities for booking of parcel traffic? Restriction है offensive goods. Next question. During suspension, dearness allowance is drawn on the basis of subsistence allowances. Next question. Railway servant disciplined and appeal rule 1968 are not applicable to any member of All India Services. Okay. RPF personnel. Okay. Any personnel in casual employee. Okay. All of above. All India Services, RPF personnel and casual employment. This DAR rule are not applicable. Then the option is D. All of these options are right. Next question 28. Blank is a government of India portal aimed at providing the citizen with platform for redressal of their grievances. Right answer is CP Gram. Question number 29. What is the chargeable weight of moped of more than 60 cc and below 350 cc? 200 kg. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर. संविधान की 8वीं अनुसूची में कुल कितनी भाषाएं सम्मिलित हैं? तो 22. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज डिस्क्राइब इन सेक्शन 7 ऑफ RTI एक्ट? इट इज रिगार्डिंग डिस्पोजल ऑफ रिक्वेस्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. फुल फॉर्म ऑफ ROMT? Renovation, operation, maintenance and transfer. B is right answer. 33. Next question. Each authority covered by RTI Act must appoint their public information officer. Next question. राजभाषा अधिनियम की धारा 3(3) कब से प्रवृत्त हुई है? 26 जनवरी 1965 से. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Workmen's Compensation Act 1923 come into force on the options are wrong. The right answer is 35. 1 जुलाई 1924. ऑप्शन सारे गलत हो गए यहाँ पर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 36. होल्डिंग एंड कंडक्टिंग ऑफ मीटिंग विद रेलवे यूजर्स एट नेशनल लेवल NRUCC. द चेयरमैन रेलवे बोर्ड एंड चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर इज CEO SMT जया वर्मा. Sinha. Next question. Permission for round the clock working of a goods set is given by GM. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वर्ष 1973 में गठित पहली रेलवे हिंदी सलाहकार समिति की अध्यक्षता किसने की? श्री ललित नारायण मिश्र जी ने। क्वेश्चन नंबर 40, ज्वाइनिंग टाइम कैन बी कंबाइंड विद एनी अदर काइंड ऑफ लीव एक्सेप्ट CL. राइट आंसर. Next question, reservation on telephone can be made for minister, right, governor of state, right, MP, right, all of these right. Question number 42, all the options are right. Next question, महात्मा गांधी किस तकनीकी विषय पर लिखे जाने वाले मूल हिंदी पुस्तक के लिए रेलवे बोर्ड द्वारा देव पुरस्कार का नाम लिखिए? लाल बहादुर शास्त्री पुरस्कार. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्रिस स्टैंड्स फॉर सेंटर फॉर रेलवे इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 44, रेलवे बोर्ड में हिंदी संसद अनुभाग का गठन कब किया गया था? 1960 में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डॉग इज परमिटेड टू बी बुक्ड विद ऑनर इन फर्स्ट क्लास. क्वेश्चन नंबर 46, संविधान की 8वीं अनुसूची संबंधी प्रावधान उपलब्ध अनुच्छेद का नाम बताइए? अनुच्छेद 120 एक एंड 210. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 47, व्हिच ऑफ द पोस्ट बिलोंग्स टू सेफ्टी कैटेगरी? चीफ लोको इंस्पेक्टर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, राजभाषा नीति की जानकारी देने वाले अनुच्छेद 343 से 351 संविधान के किस भाग में आता है? भाग 17 में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 49, इन केस ऑफ एक्सेस एरिया यूज्ड बाय द लाइसेंसी देन मेंशन्ड इन एग्रीमेंट विद द रेलवे में इम्पोज पेनाल्टी मोर देन ₹5,000. Next question, if paternity leave is not availed within the prescribed period of the confinement of his wife, then the paternity leave will be treated as lapsed. Next question, what is the maximum limitation of study leave granted during the entire period of service? 36 months. Next question, forwarding note is preserved for how much time? 5 years. Next question, dangerous goods are classified into how many types? 8 types. Next question, what would be appropriate disciplinary authority when staff working under the administrative control of DOM and misconduct patent violation of safety rules regarding DOM? Next question, what is the criteria for grouping of classification of goods? Number of rake handled per month. Next question, review of service in case of Group C railway employee is to be done when he attains 55 years of age. Next question, in how many groups the goods said are classified for war phase? 3. Next question, when casual labor can be governed under the railway disciplinary rules after attaining temporary status? Next question, a complaint is made in foil. 3 foil. Next question, how many office bearer of SC/ST association allowed for attending informal meeting at divisional level, 20 office bearers. Next question, who is the competent authority to make rule on railway servant discipline and appeal rules, 1968? President of India. Right answer. 62. Labor court are established under the Industrial Dispute Act. Next question, which one is not correct? East Coast Railways, Visakhapatnam is not correct. Next question, maximum number of break journey permitted on a circular journey ticket, 8 times. Next question, Antyodaya Express train service is fully second class unreserved coaches. Next question, maximum railway liability for claim of goods consignment, 50 rupees per kg. Next question, what is the time limit for disposal of case in Nirman portal? 60 days. Next question, what is the maximum amount of DCRG? 25 rupees. Next questions, in which section of Railway Act the provision of supply of ticket on payment fare? सेक्शन 50. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, केंद्रीय हिंदी समिति के अध्यक्ष कौन होते हैं? प्रधानमंत्री. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ मच should be net worth of the bidder for BOT basis for deluxe toilet for pay and use contract not less than 50 lakhs. Next question, head of the public complaints at zonal level is AGM. Next question, what is the registration fee for registering leasing of SLR? 50,000. Next question, what for the SF7 is issued for appointment of inquiry officer? Next question, what is the validity of general forwarding note is parcel traffic? 6 months. Next question, voluntary retirement during suspension allowed only by the one of the authority, appointing authority. Next question, who is the power to change priority schedule? President of India. Next question, who is head of commercial at zonal headquarter level? PCCM. Next question, a temporary railway servant means a railway servant without a lien on a permanent post. Next question, if the employee is retired or dead, how the recovery of admitted debit by made? Cleared through settlement dues. Next question, what is the carrying capacity of SLR compartment? 3.9 ton. LSB rack. Next question, in how much copies the luggage ticket is prepared? 3. Next question, who is the president of Prem meeting at the zonal railway? GM. Right answer. Next question, if party cancel the indent within 10 days of registration date, the WRF is forfeited. Next question, what is the schedule of power for waiver of damage charges of TRM? 25,000 rupees per wagon. Next question, in which section of Railway Act 1989, the provision of penalty for transfer of tickets. Section 142. Next question. The employee's contribution towards old pension scheme is nil. Next question. What is the maximum days for which TADA can be drawn on the temporary transfer? 180 days. Next question. How many cases are dealing a retired employee as a defense assistant at a time? 7. Next question. Supersessional RR is issued for rebooking or diversion? For diversion. Next question. Permission for advance stacking can be granted for maximum how many days? 2 days. Next question. The requisition portion of HOR retained at station is treated as cash voucher. Next question. What is the validity of leaseholder registration? 5 years. Next question. Which scale will be applicable for booking of luggage? L scale. Next question. CRS works under the Ministry of Civil Aviation. Next question. In which section of Railway Act 1989 the provision of penalty for altering or defacing pass or tickets? Section 157. Next question. Appointment of welfare officer is necessary where the number of employees employed is more than 150 member under Factory Act. Next question. A railway servant punished with stoppage of increment for a specified period and becomes due for promotion, he should be promoted after expiry of penalty. Next question. Break journey rules are not applicable to season tickets holder, right. Railway pass holder, right. Inter-rail pass ticket holder, right. This means all of the options are right. Next question. In which section of Railway Act 1989 the provision of penalty for travelling on roof, step or engine of train? Section 156. Question number next. Will maintain contact with labor and resolve dispute and differences which may arise them and the administration. PNM. Next question. Report for open delivery is prepared in how many copies? 4. Next question. Under which circumstances ex parte can be held? Charge official does not appear before IU more than 2 times or occasion. Next question. Forwarding note for booking RMC is filed in how many copies? 3 copies. Next question. Physical efficiency test is made for recruitment of group D. Next question. What is the maximum distance for which season ticket can be issued? 200 km. Next question. CP gram full form is Centralized Public Grievances Redress and Monitoring System. Next question. Railway gets maximum earning from freight earning. Next question. What is the criteria for group 1 good set more than 12 racks per month? Next question. What is the minimum distance for charging goods freight 100 kilometer? Thank you for watching my channel. Please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.